Mme Magie Hassan est gouverneure du New Hampshire, cet État frontalier du Québec dans le nord-est des États-Unis, qui est manifestement vivement intéressé à développer ses relations d'affaires avec les gens d'affaires du Québec. Nous la rencontrons et lui parlons dans un instant à Corex. So, hello, Mrs. Hassan.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. It's not nice talking to you today. And first of all, let's start with that. I think it's the key question. Why Quebec business people would choose or consider New Hampshire as a place to do business when they look to the south of the border?
Well, we would love to have as many businesses from Quebec do business in New Hampshire as possible. We are a state with a very high quality of life, very low tax environment, a very highly skilled workforce, and many, many resources in addition to that. We are friendly, we have a small responsive state government, which means that as a business comes to New Hampshire, it's very easy for us to connect them to our Department of Economic Resources and Development. They have access certainly to me as governor and to anybody else who they might need to help them set up business in New Hampshire. We have a new initiative in New Hampshire called Live Free and Start, because you may know that our motto is live free or die. And so we're really encouraging entrepreneurs to come to New Hampshire, and I think you'll find that the responsiveness of our state government, the high quality of life here, and our low tax environment makes it an excellent place for businesses anywhere in the world to come, but certainly we would love our neighbors to the north to come here.
And already how important are the relationship, the business relationship existing already between New Hampshire and Quebec? Do you know?
We have been partners and trading partners for a long time. Canada is our largest trading partner in New Hampshire, and we love doing business with our friends to the north. We also have many, many Granite Staters who are of Canadian heritage. So I think our friends to the north will find a very welcoming atmosphere and lots of people here with whom they have much in common.
And what could be the opportunities, the place where people could profit and gain trying to establish a business relationship with New Hampshire? Are there specific target markets that could be exploited?
Oh, well, certainly. We have a burgeoning aerospace sector on our seacoast of New Hampshire with companies like Albany Safran International, which are leaders in composite manufacturing. We have a very large advanced manufacturing sector with medical device technology in particular being one of our strongest sectors. As you probably know, we have a very strong travel and tourism sector, and we export a lot of food and beverage products as well. So there are a lot of great opportunities here in New Hampshire for businesses in any number of sectors: advanced manufacturing, generally manufacturing, aerospace, in particular composite parts, but we've just done an aerospace and defense consortium agreement as well, and we would really look forward to expanding that sector and working with our neighbors to the north, who we know also excel in these areas.
And I guess that being neighbors together, to your opinion, it might be kind of a substantial advantage.
It certainly is. We are two people who know each other well. As I mentioned, we have many people of French-Canadian heritage who live in New Hampshire, and the relationship with Canada is one we value very, very much. And I think you would find that our workforce has much in common with yours. We've really focused a lot recently on developing workers who are strong in STEM skills: science, technology, engineering, and math. And we've begun to really focus our entire education system on the need to have a 21st century workforce not only strong in the STEM skills, but also strong in collaboration and communication and all of the skills that make a workforce strong, but also that help our burgeoning businesses really take off. And we would welcome businesses from Quebec and from throughout Canada to come and find out more about us, find out all the strengths we have to offer. You will be welcomed as true neighbors and friends.
And finally, what tips could you give to Quebec companies looking to do business in New Hampshire?
Well, certainly I would strongly suggest that they contact our Department of Resources and Economic Development. We have an entire team that really works closely with businesses if they want to come into New Hampshire, and they would be ready to help. We're a very small state government, so if you call Resources and Economic Development, you'll be able to talk to the commissioner. If you'd like to meet with the governor and find out what I'm willing to help you with, that's certainly something we can do as well. So really calling the Department of Resources and Economic Development is a great first step.
Mme Hassan, thank you very much. Looking to meet you someday, and hopefully these relationships will just become more and more firm and grow during the coming days. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. I really would love to have more businesses from Quebec come and do business in New Hampshire.
Thank you. Bye-bye.